Welcome to Shivansh fun video. Like it and subscribe.
Wait. Is it okay?
His name is Shekhar.
Shekhar Gir. Yeah. Thank you. Shivansh, hold it. Thank you.
Bye.
Yay! What is this? It's quite big, okay? Be careful.
Hello Shivansh. How are you today?
Fine.
So what you brought today?
Camera.
Camera. Wow. Okay, so you ordered camera today. Okay, what kind of camera is this? We can see it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, you ordered Canon 200D. Oh, with the 25 megapixel camera. Oh, and you order one memory card 32 GB. Oh, you ordered the bag also. Oh, from where you order this one? Oh, this is the sook.com. When you order? Oh, you ordered yesterday only and you got the delivery today? Wow, it is so fast. Ooh. Okay, so you are excited to open this box?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Go ahead. Open it. Ooh. Zip it. Zip it. Zip it. Can I help you? No? You can do it? Uh-oh. Do it. Okay, so we ordered this Canon 200D because previously we don't have a camera. This is we have the small one, but it is not getting the good pictures. So we want some good quality videos and pictures to record you. Okay. So we choose this Canon from many cameras. We got first this Nikon, the Nikon, which that model Nikon 5600. Okay, that one also good one, but we prefer this one as a better for the video because this one has dual lens. Nikon is good for the picture purpose, but from the review,
Wait.
oh, let's cut this here. So from the review we got to know that Canon is better for the video recording, so we brought this Canon. Let's open the box. Woo! So what's inside the box? What is the red one? Oh, let me see this one. Yeah, it is a 32 GB Extreme. How much this one? I think this cost you around 64 dirham. 64 dirham. What is that? The beauty. Show me that red beauty. Show me here. Okay.
Chinese.
Is it Chinese? All cameras are Chinese, beta. There is no other issue. Okay, this is the Canon EOS 200D kit. It has 1855 IS lens. It contained what it contained? It contained digital camera, batteries, Yeah. I think it's look good, huh? It has a 24.2 megapixel ISO up to 25,000. Oh, this is good one. It is autofocus. It is a touch screen. Yeah, it is touch screen. Woo! It has the Wi-Fi also. Huh? Yeah, it has the Wi-Fi also. Ooh, that is cool. And what is that one?
A bag.
A bag. I think you ordered this bag separately, no? It won't come with this camera. No, you ordered this one separately. Where is the bill for this one?
No.
Oh, they don't give the bill? The camera is open also, it's not sealed. This is not good. This is not good. The camera is open, it's not sealed one. But as we know, Suk has a good reputation. They won't cheat. Correct? Previously also we ordered many things, but it's come with the good quality. We don't have any problem with that one. No issue. About the bill, we will ask them again. Okay? Okay. You want to open the bags? Okay, okay. Open the bag. Open the bag. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, yeah, this bag. Yes. No, this is the camera bag. This is not for the schooling bag. This bag cost you 120 dirham. Yeah, it is costly. See, this is called the rain cover. Okay? When the rain will come, you can use this cover. Okay? Otherwise, you can fold it and you can keep it inside the bag. Okay. This bag look beautiful, huh?
Yes.
It's a waterproof bag. What is the name of the bag? It's a CADEN. Oh, I don't know this name. Maybe this is again Chinese bag. See, this bag, it will open from the back side. You know why it is opening from the back side, not from the front side? Because your school bag is open from here and this one is from the back. Why? Any reason?
Because it's a camera bag.
No, it's the camera bag, correct. But if somebody comes from the behind and he will open and you don't know, he can steal something from your bag. So for that reason, they took this opening from the bag. So it's a modified design for the security purpose. Okay, open it, open it, open it. Okay, let's leave the bag. Let's concentrate on this camera. You want to open the bag? Okay, open it, open it. Oh, oh. See, it has a nice compartment. It can fit your
Here.
camera. It can fit the lenses.
Something is here.
What is there?
Oh, no.
Nothing is there. That's a good quality bag. That's a good quality. It is Chinese, beta. It is Chinese. Chinese is good. Chinese is good. Okay. Let's keep this bag side. Okay. And let's see this camera. Open it. What you find? Show me. This is called manual book. It has all the instruction inside. Okay. So this is called Reble SL2. You know the difference between these two? See, this camera sometimes it will call Reble SL2 and sometimes it is called EOS 200D. Reble it will call in the US. Well, Bobel and Rogi stay there, na? They call it is Reble, and in our country it is called 200. What is that? Yeah, it is the battery. Let's see the battery, how much power it has. How much power it has, this battery. Oh, it's a Canon. And what's its mention on the battery? We can see it or no. Oh, this battery is LPE 7.2 volt. 140. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is called the lens. Just show me that lens. So you got the manual, you got the batteries. This is the
Look, I can spin this thing.
cable for the batteries. Yeah, this is the lens. So this lens has the
And the camera.
stabilizer,
The camera.
autofocus, manual focus, and this is
And
EFS 1855 lens, image stabilizer. Oh, this is good lens. And this is the body. Woo! Show me that one.
spin this one.
Yeah, you can spin this. It's a flexible. Okay, show me that one. Woo-hoo! Okay, let's show like this. So let me see how it looks. Ooh, this is cool body. It's not heavy. It's very light. If you see this other DSLR cameras, they are very heavy, and this is looks nice.
Oh, it's
Little heavy for you, but not for the me. Not for the me. Let me see what it has. What it has. What it has. Oh, that one is the charger for the battery. That one is the charger for the battery. Open that one.
Ah, that other one. That other.
This is the battery. You can put this battery inside this charger.
Maybe charger.
Yeah, plug it and it will charge. So we have to charge before we start that. And what else in the box? Finish? Ah, what is this? What is it called? No, this one. This is the belt. You can tie to your camera and you can wear it. Yeah. This is your unboxing the Canon 200D. Woo! So what we will do now? We will just charge the battery first. Okay? Then we will put into the camera and let's test the camera how it is. Okay? Yeah, we will make a today video. Okay? And anyway, we are going for the desert safari. We will click not today, next week we will go, and we will click a lots of picture there. Let's see how the result of this one. Okay, so this is the unboxing of the Canon 200D. Say bye bye.
Bye.